Have you ever wondered if you have romantic appeal? Sometimes, the most obvious signs are not what we expect. From genuine smiles to care and support, it's the small yet significant things that contribute to building a worthwhile relationship. Number 1. Eye contact and intimate gestures. When you communicate with others, maintaining eye contact and intimate gestures can be clear signs of romantic appeal. When you and the other person can gaze at each other comfortably for extended periods, it creates a closer personal space between you both. Gestures like gentle touches, hair stroking, or cheek caresses can express care and deep connection between two people. These actions often reflect a desire for closeness and a special bond. When others see you and the other person maintaining such eye contact and intimate gestures, they may sense the attraction and deep relationship between you two. This not only demonstrates intimacy, but also provides an opportunity to naturally and sincerely build and enhance emotional connections. Number 2. Genuine smile and laughter. Your genuine smile is not just an expression of happiness, but also reflects your optimism and sense of humor. When you have the ability to bring joy and comfort to others, it shows that you can alleviate tension and bring happiness to the environment around you. Your smile not only helps the other person feel at ease, but also connects both of you in an affectionate way. When you laugh, it signals that you truly feel comfortable and happy in the presence of the other person. The ability to generate laughter and smiles frequently also demonstrates your willingness to share joy and optimism with others. This can make you a great companion and an attractive partner, as your optimism and positive energy can brighten the lives of those close to you. Number 3. Genuine care for others. This is something not only easy to see, but also easy to feel. You always listen and genuinely care about what others share, not out of obligation, but because you truly care about them and what they are going through. Your care goes beyond listening. It is also reflected in your actions. You are willing to help and support others when they need it, showing compassion and sharing emotions and thoughts sincerely. This creates an emotional and supportive environment, making others feel cared for and respected. This ability also demonstrates your sensitivity and intelligence in handling relationships. You know how to adapt and respond to the specific needs of others, thereby creating a closer and deeper connection. This genuine care is not just a sign of attractiveness in love, but also the foundation of a lasting and happy relationship. Number 4. Active listening and positive interaction. This includes not just listening, but also knowing how to respond and interact naturally and sincerely. You have the ability to create a comfortable and safe space for others to share their thoughts, feelings, and vulnerabilities without fear of judgment. In doing so, you demonstrate care for others and a deep understanding of them. Moreover, you know how to ask questions and explore more about what others care about and are going through. Through this positive interaction, you create an open communication environment that encourages further self-disclosure, thus strengthening relationships and enhancing connections. The ability to actively listen and engage positively is not only a sign of attractiveness in love, but also a crucial foundation in all relationships, helping you build trust and solid bonds. Number 5. Your confidence and posture. Confidence is not only evident in how you move and carry yourself, but also in how you communicate and express yourself. When you're confident, you often exhibit an open posture, bright eyes, and a confident gaze. This reflects self-assurance and the ability to assert yourself powerfully without being overly assertive or trying too hard. Your posture also demonstrates your ability to command communication space and naturally attract others. In doing so, you send a strong signal that you are confident and attractive, sparking interest from others. Confidence also makes it easier for you to garner attention without excessive effort. This creates a strong impression and helps you enhance relationships with others more naturally and effortlessly. Number 6. Caring and listening. When you genuinely care about others and listen to them, you demonstrate empathy towards their emotions and opinions. Your care is shown not just through listening, but also through understanding and sharing the other person's emotions. You express interest by asking about their life, hobbies, and concerns. In doing so, you demonstrate that you value the other person and aim to build a deeply connected relationship. Listening is a crucial skill in any relationship, and when you know how to listen sincerely and respectfully, you create a comfortable and friendly communication environment. This helps enhance your attractiveness because others feel cared for and understood, making them more likely to want to be around you and share more with you. Number 7. Supportiveness and willingness to help. When you consistently step up to help others in a natural and sincere manner, it's a clear sign that you care about them and are willing to share in their lives. Support can manifest in practical ways, such as providing financial assistance or offering emotional support, like listening and encouraging others through tough times. You can also demonstrate support by taking the time to share your knowledge, experiences, or skills to help others overcome challenges. Being someone who is ready to lend a hand reflects strength of character, compassion, and a concern for the community around you. This not only builds trust and reliability from others, but also enhances your attractiveness because people appreciate feeling comforted and supported by you, something they highly value and seek in a relationship. Number 8. Self-confidence and self-care. Self-confidence is not just about appearance, but also about how you conduct yourself and treat others in various situations. When you have solid self-confidence, you appear more attractive to others because confidence highlights your charm and charisma. Furthermore, self-care is crucial. It includes taking care of your body, mind, and spirit. You maintain a healthy lifestyle, have balanced eating habits, engage in regular exercise, and devote time to developing personal skills. These efforts not only boost your self-assurance, but also demonstrate your concern for health and personal growth, qualities that others admire and find inspiring. Number 9. Interest and active engagement. When two people feel compatible, they naturally find common ground in emotions and interests. You and your partner can discover joy and satisfaction by engaging in activities together, such as traveling, watching movies, participating in outdoor activities, or simply walking and conversing. This positive interest and active engagement demonstrate care for each other and the compatibility between you both. When you and your partner share interests and feel comfortable in each other's company, the relationship is likely to develop more easily and strongly. It's also an opportunity for both of you to express yourselves, create beautiful memories, and strengthen mutual understanding and connection. Furthermore, this positive interest and active engagement help both individuals feel cared for and supported, while creating a space for you and your partner to deepen your understanding of each other's values and joys in life. Number 10. Support and care. When you care about the emotions, needs, and goals of your partner, and you are ready to support and share in all circumstances, it demonstrates your sincerity and deep care for the relationship. Support can be shown through sincere listening, providing comfort when your partner feels troubled, or simply helping out in difficult situations. You are willing to stand by your partner's side, encourage and uplift when needed, contributing to creating a supportive and loving environment. Care is also expressed through dedicating time and effort to better understand your partner, their interests, values, and goals. In doing so, you create a deeper connection that helps the relationship thrive sustainably and happily. Willingness to share and support is not just a way to show affection, but also a foundation for a strong and meaningful relationship. Each sign we notice from others provides small affirmations about ourselves. More importantly, they are reminders of everyone's ability to attract. Let these insights guide you in building better relationships with greater confidence and deeper self-awareness.